Transpiration, transport, and absorption of water are important to plants. These processes are interrelated. Let's see how they take place. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surfaces of plants due to evaporation. It takes place in plants mainly through the stomata of the leaves. The surfaces of mesophyll cell are covered with a film of water. The water evaporates into the airspace. The airspace becomes almost saturated with water vapor. The water vapor concentration in the airspace is now higher than that in the atmosphere outside the leaf. Water vapor therefore diffuses through the stoma into the atmosphere. This is how transpiration takes place. During transpiration, mesophyll cells near the airspace lose water continuously. Their water potentials decrease. Water is therefore drawn from the adjacent mesophyll cells by osmosis. The adjacent cells in turn draw water from their neighboring cells. Eventually, water is drawn from the xylem vessels. A force called transpiration pull is created. The transpiration pull draws water up the xylem vessel in the stem. Xylem vessels are hollow tubes made up of dead cells. This structure allows a continuous stream of water to be formed inside them. Apart from drawing water up the xylem vessels, transpiration pull also helps the absorption of water by the roots. In the root, water in the cortex cells near the xylem vessels enters the xylem vessels due to the transpiration pull. This decreases the water potential of the cytoplasm of the cortex cells. Water moves from the neighboring cells to these cells by osmosis. As a result, a water potential gradient is set up across the cortex, causing water to move inwards from cell to cell by osmosis. Some water moves inwards along the cell wall. As water is drawn into the inner cells, the water potentials of the root hair cells become lower. The water potential of the soil is now higher than those of the root hair cells. Therefore, water in the soil enters the root hair cells by osmosis. This is how water is absorbed into the root.